For millions of years, the Nile has been flowing through the heart of Egypt, giving her life and fertility. For more than 40,000 years, our ancestors have been living in the valley of the Nile, farming and planting, building a magnificent civilization, admired by the world to this day. And now more than 25% of the Egyptians working in the agricultural field, which is more than 40 million Egyptians, are facing the danger of drought and thirst due to the threat of reducing the water of our lifeline, the Nile. The cause of water shortage is Ethiopia building a dam 5 times bigger than its needs, and its intention to store 74 billion square meters of water, which means reducing Egypt's shares of water by 20 billion square meters. But Egypt has the right to live, support life,